Welcome to our Employee Benefits Overview and tutorial for eligible working RA, TAs, and GAs. Okay, so everyone that's viewing this presentation should be working 20 hours or more per week in a research assistant, teaching assistant, teaching associate, or graduate assistant role. You're invited to this presentation because you have been hired into a role where you qualify for employee benefits in addition to the UT SHIP insurance. We want to make sure that you know what's available to you so that you can take advantage of what is being offered. And for some of you, this may be your first job ever that offers comprehensive insurance. Some of you may still be covered under your parents' insurance, and some of you may be covered under your spouse's insurance. Some of you are new to U.S. health insurance or the concept of a health insurance. In any case, this is a very important life decision so that you can take advantage of the what ifs in life. Healthcare is not cheap in the United States. Inaction can be very costly if you are not adequately covered. My hope is that we provide you the information so that you can make the best choices for yourself. As UT SHIP or coverage under your parents' or spouse's plan. Seldomly, we have some students who purchase medical insurance on their own through healthcare.gov or an outside insurance broker. We will go over your qualifications with the different medical plans during this presentation. On the flip side, as an employee of UTD, you're now also eligible for UTD employee benefits such as the UT Select Medical, Dental, Vision, Life Insurance, Accidental Death and Dismemberment Insurance, and Disability Insurance. Your unique status as a student and an employee entitles you to free UT SHIP and the option to take advantage of free dental, vision, and AD&D plans. While your enrollment in UT SHIP is automatic, do keep in mind you absolutely must take action to enroll in the free ancillary benefits such as dental, vision, and AD&D before your 31-day deadline. You're not auto-enrolled in these employee benefits. So our agenda for today is to explain what it means to be in a hybrid role. We will go over the employee side of benefits and how to enroll. We're collaborating this presentation with the Bursar's office, the RATA SHIP team today. So our RATA SHIP friends will present the latter part of this presentation. Lastly, we will provide contact information and website resources for you to reference after. RA, TA, GAs who are committed to working 20 hours or more per week are what we considered as in a hybrid role. What this means is you not only have access to student benefits as you maintain your RATA GA status, you will also have access to employee benefits for as long as you maintain your employment status. Your student benefit is the Student Health Insurance Plan, commonly referred to as UT SHIP. You may be familiar with UT SHIP and may have had it for as long as you have been a student of UT Dallas. The difference now is with your employment, your UT SHIP coverage may now be free or reduced depending on the tier you're enrolled in. Eligible RATA GAs are automatically enrolled in UT SHIP. If you want to add spouse or children to coverage, there are additional steps to add those coverages. Should you have any questions about the UT SHIP plan benefits, you can contact Academic Health Plans, who's a third-party administrator for the UT SHIP plan. If you have questions regarding the free SHIP program for eligible RATA GAs, you can contact the RATA SHIP team by emailing them at rataship@utdallas.edu. As an employee of the university, you now have access to medical and ancillary benefits such as dental, vision, flexible spending, life, AD&D, and disability. Employee medical plan is the UT Select plan. The cost for employee-only coverage under UT Select is $390.12 per month, so it is not free. Since you're likely already auto-enrolled in UT SHIP, in order to switch to UT Select plan, you will have to go through a process to waive UT SHIP and then sign up for UT Select Medical. Enrollment through the My UT Benefits platform must be completed within 31 days of your employment start date. Again, there are premiums costs associated with this option. Your other option, which is the more popular option, is to keep UT SHIP as your medical plan, and in turn, you qualify for premium sharing credit to be used towards dental, vision, and AD&D plans. In most cases, the credit amount will more than cover dental, vision, and AD&D premiums, so you end up with these additional coverages for free. The key here is you must log in to My UT Benefits to enroll in dental, vision, and AD&D plans. You are not auto-enrolled in these plans offerings on the employee side under the My UT Benefits platform. If you are currently covered under your parents' or spouse's medical in lieu of UT SHIP, you can also qualify for premium sharing credit to be used towards dental, vision, and AD&D coverages. Make sure you upload a proof of other medical coverage on My UT Benefits platform to be approved for premium sharing credit. However, if you are enrolled in a private medical plan, or if you purchased your medical through the healthcare.gov marketplace, or if you have VA coverage, these are not eligible for you to qualify for premium sharing credit. You can sign up for ancillary benefits, but you will have to pay for them. For assistance or inquiries about employee benefits, please contact my team, the HR benefits team, by email at benefits@utdallas.edu. Employee benefits premiums are collected in your monthly pay. We coordinate premium deductions with the payroll department so that you don't have to worry about arranging payments each month. With that said, if you're eligible and enrolled in premium sharing credit, the coordination of that credit towards paying down your dental, vision, and AD&D is also done directly with payroll. We apply credits accordingly through payroll, and you will see what is being applied in your pay stub, your pay stub or your pay statements. So please be mindful when you go through the enrollment process. If you decide to waive UT SHIP to participate in UT Select, $390.12 will be deducted from your pay, plus any other deductions for any ancillary benefits that you elect as well. If you only want the free subsidized or subsidized benefits under premium sharing credit, make sure you keep your UT SHIP or your other eligible major medical with your parent or spouse, and then only sign up for dental, vision, and AD&D benefits. Life insurance products, flexible spending, disability plans, are not eligible for premium sharing credit. You will be responsible for the premiums, which will be deducted from your pay for those premiums. And as I have mentioned previously, the premium sharing credit option is the most popular setup among working RATA GAs. Not only do you get your UT ship for free if you are covering yourself only, you also qualify for credit towards dental, vision, and AD&D plans under the premium sharing credit program. The maximum dollar amount associated with premium sharing credit is $195.06 per month for the current plan year. This amount is more than enough credit to cover yourself under the richest dental, vision, and AD&D plans for free. Know that this amount may not entirely cover all of the premiums if you are electing family coverage under the richest plans. And I will show you what I mean in later slides. To enroll in employee benefits, you will need to log into My UT Benefits. You can access My UT Benefits from Galaxy, not Gemini. Or sorry, Galaxy or Gemini, not Orion. You may be more familiar with Orion as a student. However, employment functions such as accessing your personal records, your pay stubs, and employee benefits are housed under Gemini. This is also where benefits enrollment data is housed and interfaced with payroll as well as our vendors. So if you've discovered that there is a My UT Benefits tile in Orion and you thought you could enroll there, you're warned, because we do not use My UT Benefits through Orion, and your benefits will not be set up properly there. So once in Gemini, on the top left-hand corner of the screen, make sure that it is showing Gemini for departments. Then find the self-service tile and then the My UT Benefits tile. In the organization name field, you can either type in the University of Texas at Dallas or simply pick from the list and select UT Dallas and then click on Continue. My UT Benefits utilizes the single sign-on to log in. So use your network login, confirm with your dual authentication, and then click on Begin Enrollment. Review your personal information on the profile page. If anything is wrong or misspelled, please update your information in Galaxy, Gemini, because your employee information is in Gemini, not Orion. Updates in Gemini will then populate in My UT Benefits usually after 24 hours. On the next screen, you will add your dependents if applicable. Dependents are immediate family members such as legally married spouse, your biological step or adopted children. We will require you to upload proof of relationship at the end of your enrollment process. There is a tobacco surcharge for those who uses tobacco products. Please answer the tobacco question and then save and continue. Next question is asking whether you or your dependent is covered by Medicare. Medicare is the government health insurance program offered to retirees or individuals over age 65. So most of you, if not all, will likely answer no to this question. Remember, as an RATA GA, you are auto-enrolled in UT SHIP. The employee benefits portal will default to decline UT Select medical plan and enroll in premium sharing credit. If your screen looks like this, you are good to go and can go on to number 3 to choose your dental option. Notice the Add Dependent function on the top right-hand corner for you to select your dependents for coverage. Select your dental option and then click the Select Plan at the bottom of the screen. Notice the premium on the right-hand side, which should be 0 since premium sharing credit is applied. Now, if you're not a UT SHIP member and are eligible for premium sharing credit because you have other major medical coverage under your parent or your spouse, a premium amount will show here until your proof of other coverage has been reviewed and approved by us. Only upon the approval will this amount then change to 0. After selecting your dental plan and the tier of coverage, you will see a cost of the plan to the right and how much credit is applied to the premium cost. We mentioned that if you are covering yourself only, you will be able to get the Bridges plan and still have enough credit to pay for other benefits. If you are enrolling into family tier coverage under the Dental Plus plan, which is the richest plan that we offer, the premium for family coverage for Dental Plus plan is $183.30 per month. That will then leave you $11.76 remaining of the premium sharing credit to be used towards vision and AD&D plans. It won't be enough to if you are still covering family for vision plans. So you could leave it and just pay the difference of your excess of the premium sharing allotment, or you could step down and elect the dental standard plan, which is $84.84 per month for family coverage. You will then have enough to apply premium sharing credit towards free vision and AD&D plans. So it just depends on the plan and tier you are electing. So I want to make you aware of this. Be sure to click the Save button if everything looks good before you go on to the next screen. A note will then pop up confirming your dental election. If it looks good, click Next, and then click Begin Enrollment to elect your vision plan coverage. UTD offers 2 vision plans. The richest plan is the Superior Vision Plus plan with the highest level of coverage. Click on Select Plan under the vision plan of your choice and be sure to hit the Save button to continue to the next benefit. The system will then confirm your vision election. Just go ahead and click Next. And then you will see a series of other benefit options such as the flexible spending, life, long and short-term disability insurance plans. These are not free. You're welcome to sign up for them. Just know that there will be a cost associated with each of these plans. If you only want the free plans, you will want to hit the decline coverage at the bottom of each of these plans to move forward. And the last free benefit that we offer under the premium sharing credit is the accidental death and dismemberment insurance, or AD&D. Here you can choose the maximum benefit allowable at the bottom of the list and then click Next. Designating a beneficiary is very important. Should anything happen to you, we will be able to work with your beneficiaries directly on claims. You will need to designate the beneficiary type, whether they are primary or secondary, and then the percentage of the payout they are to receive. So if you only have one beneficiary named, you will choose this person or entity to be your primary beneficiary to receive 100% of the benefit payout. Beneficiary can be a person living outside of the US or a foreign national. Healthcare flexible spending account, also known as healthcare reimbursement account, or we usually go by their acronyms FSA or HCRA, allows you to set pre-tax money directly from your paycheck into a debit account to be used towards out-of-pocket expenses that your insurance isn't paying for. There is a use it or lose it rule with this FSA program, with the FSA program. Remaining balances not claimed will be forfeited. If you only want the free premium sharing credit benefits, you will need to decline the healthcare flexible spending account as well as the dependent care flexible spending account that follows after healthcare FSA selection. And the last item on the enrollment screen are long-term and short-term disabilities. Again, these are not a part of the premium sharing credit program and therefore not free. If you want to check it out anyway, click on Edit Coverage. If you prefer to skip it, simply click on the green Save and Continue button at the bottom of the screen. And then at the very bottom of the screen, confirm your benefits elections, then click on the green Complete Enrollment button. You will have completed the enrollment process as a new hire, and for the current plan year, once you see the congratulations page. You can review your elections by clicking on the confirmation statement or continue to the next page. Review your confirmation statement to make sure it all matches what you have enrolled in and that the monthly cost is what you are expecting. And there will be a survey at the end of the enrollment process for the MyUT Benefits Portal developers. Feel free to rate and give the platform a feedback, or you can skip the survey if you wish. You'll need to upload your marriage certificate or children's birth certificate in the document center if dependents are added for coverage. Document will need to be translated into English if they are issued completely in a foreign language. If you have other major medical coverage other than UT SHIP, this is where you would upload your proof of other coverage for our approval to participate in premium sharing credit. Acceptable proofs are your current unexpired medical ID card showing your name, or an enrollment summary showing your name as insured and coverage effective dates, or a credible coverage letter from the insurance company providing your insurance status. On the home page, you will be able to print your enrollment confirmation statement. I want to also add that although you have confirmed and completed your enrollment, you can still log back in to MyUT Benefits to tweak your selections as long as you are still within the 31-day enrollment window. Each time you click on the Save button through the enrollment process, the system saves your benefit elections. So if you must stop the process and come back to it later, as long as you have clicked the Save button as you navigated through the enrollment process, you will be able to come back to where you have left off and not have to go through the entire process all over again. And now some very important reminders I want to stress to you. Your deadline to enroll is 31 days from your hire date. Your hire date is the official date you started your employment with UTD. Employee benefits are not auto-enrolled. You must go to My UT Benefits and make your elections before your 31-day deadline. If you add dependents to coverage, you must upload proof of relationship such as marriage certificate or birth certificate. If you don't upload a proof before the deadline, their coverage will not become effective. If you need to update your address, please update it in Galaxy Gemini because employment information are housed in Gemini, not Orion. We listed the steps here for you to reference later. Remember, the 31-day deadline to participate in premium sharing credit. That's a hard deadline. So if you don't remember anything from this presentation, please remember you have 31 days from your start date to log in and complete your benefits enrollment. And lastly, if you ever experience a break in job assignments, such as if you go on summer work break, your employee benefits will terminate at the end of your assignment. When you return from the work break, you have to re-enroll in premium sharing credit benefits. Employee benefits are not auto-enrolled upon your return. And wonderful program you can participate in as an employee of UT is the Volunteer Retirement Savings Plan. So we're all working towards comfortable retirement someday. It will be here before you know it. It is never too early to start saving for that goal. While you may not currently qualify for participating in a pension plan such as TRS or ORP in your current position, you are eligible to participate in the UT Saver voluntary retirement plans. You have the option to choose between a tax shelter annuity or the TSA or a deferred compensation program, the DCP plan. Both of these options allows you to contribute with traditional, it's also known as pre-tax, or Roth, which is the post-tax option. The Internal Revenue Service sets the annual amount, the annual maximum you are able to contribute each year. For the 2025 calendar year, you can put away up to $23,500 into each of the TSA or DCP accounts. And there are 5 fund management companies you can choose from, and they are listed here: the TIAA, Fidelity, Lincoln, Corebridge, and Voya. Once you enroll, your contributions will be deducted from your paychecks and deposited directly into the account you've set up. So it's very easy. There's nothing else you need to do, and you can adjust the monthly amount that you are contributing at any time throughout the year. Start early, as you can take advantage of your money compounding over time. So my own personal story, I started with $25 a month in my mid-20s. And as I made more money, I increased my monthly contribution. And when I get a salary increase, I increase my contribution by the additional amount I will be receiving. I'll be receiving because I know I was able to manage with the money I already receive. So I could put the extra income into savings. When I changed jobs, I simply established a new voluntary retirement plan with my new employer, and I rolled my prior funds into the new plan. So know that there's no deadline when it comes to enrolling in a voluntary retirement plan. You can set this up anytime throughout the year. You can wait until after your paychecks are normalized and you have a better idea with your monthly budgeting before deciding on how much you want to contribute into the UT Saver plan. But don't wait too long. There's no better time than today to plan for your future. And now I am going to turn this presentation over to our RATA SHIP team. Thank you, Angel.
Thank you, Julie. Can someone give me a thumbs up if you can hear me clearly? Can you hear me? Okay, good. Thank you. So good morning and happy Friday, everyone. Thank you so much for joining our presentation today. My name is Angel Ann, and myself and Laurie Jacobson are your RATA Student Health Insurance Plan Enrollment Team. We refer to the plan as SHIP quite often. Our team enrolls you in SHIP coverage when you become an eligible RATA GA working 20 hours per week or 0.5 FTE. You can reach out to us with any questions regarding your SHIP enrollment by emailing us at rataship@utdallas.edu. So today I am going to cover a little bit about Academic Health Plan's website for UT Dallas RATA GA students, so you know how and where to enroll your dependents in the SHIP plan, or if needed, where to submit a request to waive the free SHIP coverage as RATA GA. I will also touch on where you can find all the benefits included with SHIP and additional resources when you need them. Next slide, please. So, what is SHIP? Can you go back to the previous one? Yes, thank you. So what is SHIP? SHIP is Student Health Insurance Plan. The policy itself is called Academic Blue, and the insurance carrier is Blue Cross and Blue Shield of Texas. Academic Health Plans is a third-party administrator who you will go through to add dependents or request to waive out of the free SHIP coverage as RATA GA. Their website for our university is utdallas.myhpcare.com. As Julie has mentioned earlier, SHIP is a student benefit and not an employee benefit, so you will not see it listed on the My UT Benefits portal during your employee benefit enrollment. All SHIP benefit information is published on the Academic Health Plan's website, who is the administrator for the plan. They facilitate your student health insurance plan enrollment and that of your dependents, as well as process waiver requests. Your student coverage is funded by UTD on your behalf while you're actively working in an eligible RATA GA position 20 hours per week or 0.5 FTE. SHIP coverage is retroactive to the first day of the month you are hired in, and the free coverage will end on the last day of the month you're actively working in an eligible RATA GA position. If you become ineligible for funded coverage as RATA GA, we will send notifications to your UTD email letting you know that your free SHIP coverage as RATA GA will be ended. We will also provide information on possible continuation coverage options. Because SHIP is a student benefit, not an employee benefit, so it does not participate in COBRA. However, Academic Health Plans does offer 3 months of SHIP continuation coverage available to purchase directly through them when you no longer meet SHIP student enrollment requirements. As long as you have been enrolled in the student health insurance plan coverage for at least the prior 4 months. Next slide, please. So this is what Academic Health Plan's homepage for UTD looks like. This website houses all SHIP policy and benefit information included with your enrollment in SHIP coverage. This is where you will find contact information for Academic Health Plans as well as Blue Cross Blue Shield of Texas, and of course other resources available to you. So please take some time to explore the website. You will be surprised how much information you will find on this website. As an eligible RATA GA, you will also use this website to enroll your dependents in SHIP coverage or submit a SHIP waiver request. There's absolutely nothing you need to do to enroll yourself in the student health insurance plan on this website, as our team will do that for you automatically on your hire date or after once your department has entered your position and it is active in the HR system. You will then begin to receive emails from us and academic health plan regarding the deadlines for enrolling dependents or submitting a SHIP waiver request, as well as more information regarding the university-funded SHIP program for eligible RETA-GA. I believe most of you have already been enrolled and have started to receive this email specifically for RETA-GA. Next slide, please. Academic health plans does offer standalone dental and vision coverage. However, we do want you to be aware that these optional dental and vision plans offered on the academic health plan website are not included in the funded student health insurance plan program, and we do not manage enrollment in these plans. They are not part of the employee benefits Julie mentioned earlier. So if you enroll yourself in these optional plans on the Academic Health Plans website, please know that UTD does not reimburse you for them and you cannot use premiums sharing credit towards them. So just be careful with that. Next slide, please. So let's go over enrolling dependents in the student health insurance plan. Again, SHIP is student insurance, not employee insurance, so you will not find it listed on the My UT Benefit portal. Once Academic Health Plans receives your SHIP enrollment from UTD, you will then receive an email with the link for RETA-GA to enroll dependents if needed. Remember, you have 31 days starting on your date of hire to enroll your dependents in SHIP coverage. If you would like to enroll your dependents in SHIP coverage, you will need to go to the Academic Health Plans enrollment page, which is utdallas.myhpcare.com/enrollment, and you will need to use the dependent enrollment link for RATAs for enroll them by your deadline. Dependent premiums are paid directly to Academic Health Plans, not UTD. And please keep in mind that if you work over the summer and remain actively working as an eligible RATA-GA from July into August, you will need to re-enroll your dependents at the beginning of the next SHIP plan year, which for UTD is on August 1st. We will send information to all eligible RATA-GA in July and again in August with all information including the SHIP open enrollment dates. If you choose not to re-enroll dependents during SHIP open enrollment period, their coverage will automatically end on July 31st. So it is very important to draw attention to the enrollment deadline, as well as our email communications. I will talk a little bit more about this in the next few slides. Next slide, please. Now, I will go over requesting to waive out of the free SHIP coverage for domestic RATA-GA. If you are a domestic RATA-GA, insurance, please know, insurance coverage is not mandatory for you. So you may submit a request to waive out of the plan if you choose. Once Academic Health Plans receives your SHIP enrollment, you will receive an email with instructions on how to waive SHIP. You will have 31 days starting on your date of hire to waive out of the free student health insurance plan if you choose not to keep it. You must request to waive SHIP by your deadline, or SHIP coverage will remain active. Academic health plans will email you once the waiver is approved. Now, I do want to point out that if you are considering keeping SHIP coverage while you're covered under another medical plan, you may want to contact your other insurance carrier to see how they would process claims if enrolled in both plans. Because SHIP is student insurance, it is separate from employee benefit enrollment process. If you choose to enroll in and pay for UT Select employee medical coverage through the My UT Benefits portal, you must waive SHIP through the Academic Health Plans website. UTD does not allow for dual enrollment in both SHIP and UT Select medical insurance. Next slide, please. So this slide pertains to our international students only. Now, if you are an international student holding a F1, F2, J1, or J2 visa, and you would like to waive out of the free SHIP coverage as RATHEA, this is for you. You will have 31 days starting on your date of hire to request to waive SHIP and complete any necessary waiver requirement. International students must have alternative insurance that meets UT system requirements effective the first of the month you're hired in to waive SHIP. You will need to submit a SHIP waiver request using the RATA part-time employee link on the Academic Health Plans website. The UT system insurance requirements for international students can be found on the same Academic Health Plans waiver page. Once Academic Health Plans receives your waiver request, they will email you if there is any additional documentation or other requirements needed before your waiver as RATAGA can be approved. Make sure these requirements are met by your deadline. Please note that all waiver requests must be submitted through Academic Health Plans website and approved by them, as our team does not have any authority to approve any waiver request. Next slide, please. Well, we talked earlier about when you log into the My UT Benefits portal, the student health insurance plan is not listed. The medical insurance listed is employee medical insurance, and that is not free. If you enroll in employee dental or vision coverage on the My UT Benefit portal, that does not affect your enrollment in student health insurance, and that does not require you to waive SHIP. So you do not need to waive SHIP when you enroll in employee dental or vision. If you are an international student and you do decide to enroll in and apply for employee medical insurance offered on the My UT Benefit portal, you must submit a RATA SHIP waiver request through Academic Health Plans website. UTD does not allow for dual enrollment in both the SHIP and the employee medical plan. Again, you have 31 days starting on your date of hire to request to waive SHIP coverage using the RATA part-time employee link on the Academic Health Plans website. International students choosing to enroll in employee medical insurance will be sent a link to purchase AES coverage after you submit a SHIP waiver request. What is AES? AES is Academic Emergency Services Coverage. It provides medical evacuation repatriation service in addition to other services. And AES coverage must be purchased before the waiver deadline in order for the SHIP waiver request to be approved. Now, additionally, if your hire date is after the first of the month and you decide to enroll in and pay for employee medical insurance instead of keeping the free SHIP, there are additional requirements. This happens very rare, but if this scenario applies to you, please reach out to us. We can provide more information about the additional requirements. Our email address is rataship@utdallas.edu. We can explain the process and additional requirements. And I know this is a lot of information, but please do not worry. The SHIP enrollment team will help you through this process if you do decide to enroll in and pay for employee medical insurance offered on the My UT Benefit portal and waive the university-funded SHIP coverage. Again, if you have any questions, specific questions regarding this process, please reach out to us. We are here to help. Next slide, please. So we mentioned earlier that many eligible RTAGA work over the summer and remain actively working into August. We want to provide some additional waiver information for those who may work over the summer. Remember, the student health insurance plan year ends on July 31st. The new plan year starts on August 1st. So each plan year, there's an annual open enrollment period for RATA-GA actively working over the summer and who continue working into August. Information regarding the RATA-GA annual waiver period will be sent out in June and July to those expected to be actively working from July into August. Most RATA-GA who work over the summer work into August, overlapping ship coverage plan years. The RATA-GA waiver period is from August 1st through August 31st each year. You must submit waiver request each plan year if you do not want to be enrolled in the university-funded ship coverage, even if you will only work in an eligible RATA-GA position for part of August. Those who enrolled in employee medical insurance on the My UT Benefit portal during annual employee benefit enrollment, which normally takes place in July, you must waive ship active August 1st during the ship annual waiver period in August, as UTD does not allow for dual enrollment in both ship and the employee medical plan. More information will be sent out in summer, so please be on the lookout for those email communications. Next slide, please. So here's some important resources that might be helpful for you. You can contact academic health plans by go to help@hpcare.com or call this 800 number listed here. They can help with accessing your academic health plans account if you have any issues logging in your account. You do need to have your 10 digits UDD ID and UTD NIGHT ID email address to register. They can answer questions on enrolling dependents or waiving ship as the RATA-GA. They can also provide ship benefit information. The Academic Health Plan's website is where you can find your benefit details and contact information for those benefits. The website is utdallas.myhpcare.com. You can find information on ship benefit, including ship master policy, ship benefits contact list. UT system also has an orientation video posted on the HP website if you would like to know more about ship and benefits included with enrollment. Now, as a reminder, the optional dental and vision coverage offered through Academic Health Plan's website is not included in your free ship coverage. Next slide, please. We also have additional information for you regarding our friends in the Student Health Center. Student Health Center service information is available at studenthealthcenter.utdallas.edu. And their office provides general information to all students regarding SHIP at insurance.utdallas.edu. The Student Health Center offers many services to those enrolled in SHIP, including confidential claims, advising services, resources in finding in-network health providers and pharmacists, resources on SHIP benefits included in coverage, as well as other services available for students. You can contact them with questions at STU Health Insurance at utdallas.edu or call the number listed here. Next slide, please. The RATA SHIP team, which is my team, can help with any questions regarding your enrollment in the university-funded SHIP program as an eligible RATA-GA. You can contact us again by emailing at rataship@utdallas.edu. Next slide, please. You will also find information regarding the university-funded SHIP program on the Bursar Office website. You can check out the information we have provided here. We also have a QR code on the next slide to make it easier for students to find all the program to this program and all information regarding the program information. Next slide, please. So the first QR code takes you to the information regarding the university-funded SHIP program. The top center is the Academic Health Plans website for UTD students. And the top right QR code will take you to the general insurance information on the Student Health Center website. From there, you can also find the link to the Student Health Center as well. And that concludes my presentation today. If there's no questions, I will turn the presentation back over to Julie. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.